Oh yeah! Woo! Here we go! Jungle adventure and sailing! Stay tuned! Oh yeah!
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul.
Just stopped at an old Mayan fish trap, I guess. Under the water here. Going swimming.
I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from there goes a sight.
What's happening? Well, we made it to our destination. What an awesome spot this is. We're in the mangroves here on a big platform out in the middle of a lagoon.
There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Oh, what an awesome day so far. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. Just here in, I forget the lagoon's name, Guerrero Lagoon, I think. And we'll be staying the night at this this amazing tower that's like, I don't know, 50 feet in the air. And all the way up there, that's where the platform is. And yeah, so what an amazing day. First time sailing, first time checking out this lagoon. And you can see behind me there, there's all kinds of mangroves and just crystal clear blue-green water. So, oh, amazing. Stay the night here, head back to Chetumal tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know what the day will have. But got lots of footage, so I can't wait to see what it's going to turn out like. Holy, what an awesome night that was. Just had some breakfast here on shore and oh man, what an amazing trip. Could sell that to tourists and make some money off of that trip. Oh, stayed in the shelter right here in the Lagoon Guerrero. And yeah, just awesome time. Listen to music, had some drinks, swimming, kayaking in the Carribean lagoon here. Just amazing. Just came across a snake that found and killed a small little lizard. Snake got a lizard. Freaking awesome. Oh, the lizard's still alive. Rise up. Accept that challenge. Be a phoenix. Take care.